Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I want to show you two revisions. The first revision is the interaction of a 3D sketch and a connecting sheet. To demonstrate this, I create a 3D sketch for the lower cone. The newly created circle is to be copied to the bottom with the new duplicate function. The dialog is very simple. Click on a line and switch to the Move with the middle mouse button. Select the starting point now. The preview hangs on the cursor and can be moved on the axis. The axis can be easily changed. The grid shows you the distance from the starting point and adapts dynamically to the zoom. A free choice of points is of course also possible. With a left click you set the preview. The selected point becomes the new starting point. The 3D sketch can now be parameterized with HCM dimensions and variables. I have already prepared this. A connecting sheet can now be created via the context menu of the 3D sketch. The sketch is entered automatically. If the settings and preview look suitable, the sheet can be created. The variables of the sketch were transferred to the newly generated sheet. By adjusting the variables, the recalculation also changes the connecting sheet, as can be seen down here on the flange. Now we come to the second revision in this version, the function develop surfaces. For this purpose, the rolled sheet, which was modeled as a C-edge sweep, is to be developed. The previous two functions have been combined into one. The dialog was designed analogously to the function develop sheet. This should make it easier for you to use. First, you select the area to be processed. The sheet thickness is determined automatically. This can be deactivated by the checkbox. Once you have selected all surfaces, you switch with the middle mouse button to place the development. The alignment of the processing is not optimal here, but can be corrected by choosing an edge. To do this, I fade in the sheet individually and select the lower edge. The preview has adjusted accordingly. With a left click, the processing is placed. Now you have the possibility to make further configurations, for example an additional text. If you think the development is okay, you confirm with OK. As with sheet metal, the development is placed under the part. The big advantage of the development is the subsequent changeability. Similar to sheet metals, the development can be changed via the context menu. So you can subsequently change the sheet thickness, switch the dimension on and off, edit the additional text or its position, and set the line color. The set configuration can also be saved as a favorite and used for new processing. If the initial part has changed, as simulated here, the view of the processing is marked with a red cross. The processing can be easily updated via the context menu. You no longer have to create a new development as you used to. Finally, you can easily save them as a DXF or DWG file, for example using the Export Individual Development function. That's it for this short clip. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun designing with HiCAD.